Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is April 7th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock. But before, I'm not a financial advisor, and I do technical analysis, and I don't do price predictions. Tesla will be at 800 in 3 weeks. I don't do that. I might do that when there's a pattern in the chart that tells me something like that, but I won't predict 6 months in the future. So that being said, the Tesla closed at 670 and 97 cents, down 20 bucks, down 3%. Post market 673, up 2 bucks. So let's look at the candle. So the candle is pretty much even Steven. So it was a nice down day. So quite a big, well, a significant red candle with a little wick at the top, little wick at the bottom. So quite a down day for Tesla. Tesla is respecting the double resistance that we have at the top here. So we have the upper resistance and the lower resistance, and look at this. This is not magic. This is technical analysis. Look at how this wick here almost perfectly touches the resistance that we have had here. So see, stocks don't move in random fashion. Stocks move in patterns. So if we identify those patterns, we can profit from them. So basically, this is respecting this resistance. So the support that I see for the stock is this one here that is still in play. So the stock may bounce on this. It's perfectly legitimate to do this. The stock might go sideways and bounce also on this support that we have had for a long time. So we have two main area of support for the stock. There's a third one, a minor area of support that I see around here. So if you take a look at this here, I'm just having a hard time placing it. It's maybe something like this. So see, let me put it in gray. So, because just to indicate that it's a minor support. So we have this candle here that is using it as a resistance. This body of the candle here using it. No, sorry. Support here, resistance, support, resistance. So support here. So we had it as support here recently. So are we going to see it as support here? It's possible. It's possible. I see this little +2 post-market. So maybe this is an indication that Tesla is slowing down to go on that support. So that's a possibility. If we look at the hour chart shows also something else. We have here, we seem to have a channel. A downward channel. We are used to them. You know, we had this big downward channel not too long ago. So if I draw it on the bodies of the candles, I have this. If I draw it on the wicks, I have this. So we seem to have this in play now, like this. See, the stock was really doing that. And yeah, so this is another level to take a look at. So see, so maybe the stock will just glide along this support here, and we'll see what it does with this line here. In terms of the news, news are not very positive for Tesla as of now. There's this China thing, which Tesla said that they are not recording. Well, Tesla is not using the cameras on the cars to record when cars are outside of North America, and the Chinese were kind of iffy about that because they did not want Tesla to be recording military bases, parking lots and stuff like that. So So there's a so this is giving a negative tone for Tesla a little bit. So maybe this is why, I don't know, but maybe this is why things are going down. But I think that when the this is just speculation, this is not technical analysis now. So I think that on May 5th, when the earnings call will happen, or even before that, I think we are going to see a push in the stock. We'll see. So looking at the indicators, stochastic, boom, went way down at 63. It's still a positive stochastic because it's still in the green. It's still over 50, so it's still positive. So there's still power in the stock. So this is making me think that the stock won't be going down. I would be surprised. I would be surprised if the stock would go down like this, because the stochastic is showing some strength. If the stochastic was low like this, under 20, then we could have had the stock go down like this. Boom. So now I personally think, and this is just speculation here, this is not speculation here, and I always, well, I never use speculation to make me buy something. I try to see it on the chart first. So I don't see anything I don't see any reason for me personally to buy Tesla yet, because I want to have my 3 indicators agree. And if I may point out that the DMI, which is bearish and is increasingly bearish because the red line is going higher, so the bearish push in the stock is stronger. So this DMI prevented us from buying the breakout here, because we could have said, well, okay, this is a breakout here on April 1st. So, sorry. It's not technically a breakout on April 1st because the stock did not close outside of the channel. On April 5th, the stock closed outside of the channel. We could have said, okay, we have a breakout. Let's go long in Tesla. This is why I like the DMI, because the DMI is saying, nope, I don't see anything bullish here. So this is why my strategy, my personal strategy, is to obey the 3 indicators, and especially the DMI. Sometimes I will jump the gun a little bit. One day more, the DMI has not yet crossed, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna cross, and I jump the gun. I should not do that, but I'm human, so sometimes I do it. So do what I say, don't do what I do. But most of the time I try to wait until all of the indicators are telling me go. So this is an objective measure of when to enter the market, and it's always better to have objective measures instead of emotional measures. So just to say that the DMI saved us from going long here. So basically that's it for Tesla today. So thank you very much for watching. Subscribe, like, comment. We have a Patreon and we have a Discord server, so please join us, and let's have fun and let's make some money. I wish you a great evening, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.